it's Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of Monday, April 4th through Sunday, April 10th in my Plum Paper Hourly. Yes, we are back. I tried to stay away. It didn't work out. So let's chat about why as I go ahead and plan out the week and get started with some of these date covers. I'm using this Krissyanne Designs kit. I think I got this on a $2 Tuesday, but it looks like it's kit, let's see, 92. P3, P5, I guess those are the sheets. I'm not as familiar with Krissyanne design kits. I love these stickers, but I'll be honest, I don't use them as often as I would like to. So I thought that'd be fun, a nice way to kind of just jump into the week. All right, so yes, we are back in the Plum Paper. So basically what happened is I took a little hiatus from this book just because I was liking the daily so much. And what I found is like the daily duo is what I need on a day-to-day basis. It is what I'm using constantly throughout the day, making lists, checking things off, making sure that I'm where I need to be at any given time. And that's like that's my go-to throughout the week. And so what I found is that I wasn't really using a weekly planner as much. Like I always kind of gravitated towards the daily. But as I've been doing that, what I found is I don't feel as grounded as far as like what's going on with the rest of my week. And so while I might not refer to my weekly throughout the week as closely as I do my daily, just this process of setting it up like at the beginning of the week has been super helpful. So I will try to show these videos more regularly on the channel again. And I do have a couple more months in this book. I have April and May. I don't know if I mentioned that already. It's been kind of a whirlwind, but yep, April, May in this book. So I will need to decide what I want to do for the next one after this. Like I think I probably want to stick with the 7x9 again. And I will be sticking with Plum Paper. I was playing around with maybe doing a different kind of planner, like maybe that Moxie Life. Has been super tempting to try that out, or maybe the Erin Condren Weekly. But like I said, at the end of the day, I was just like, this works so well, and I really do love this planner. Obviously, it's been, I probably have the most videos on my channel in the Plum Paper Weekly in some capacity. So I think we are just going to do what works and what makes sense. So we're back. It feels pretty good. I do have a bunch of kits that I had purchased for this planner, so we're still good for a little while. I don't need to go purchase a bunch of stuff for it. I'm gonna need a new one at some point. So I think I might order it early to start in June, and then I'll have it when I need it instead of having to like wait for it and just kind of plan ahead and get it. But I've also been wondering, new things come out about this time of the year for planner stuff. So part of me is like, maybe I'll kind of hold on and see what else comes about. If there's a different, like maybe some new weekly thing that I wanted to try, or even maybe, I don't know, maybe Plum Paper comes out with new stuff. I don't see them with new things as often as like Erin Condren, where they have a new like theme launch and things like that. But I don't know, maybe there'd be a different color scheme or something. If you've heard anything about Plum Paper coming out with anything new and I should like wait, let me know. Okay, I actually really like how this is turning out with the peach and these colors. I think it's kind of working in a fun kind of a way. So I'm gonna use the this week sticker for sure. And I think I might leave this calendar here too. I don't really see a need to cover that up. And I think next what we will do is use some thick washi down at the bottom, just to give it a little extra color. I will say it is kind of difficult working when it's like super skinny on this side. I don't usually get to the end of my weekly planners, so that's kind of special. Although there are plenty of blank weeks throughout, but yeah, I don't know. New experience. Next, I'm going to do what I did on my it wasn't last week, I think it was the week before, that I actually planned out in this book. And yeah, I just kind of wrote in the times of work. Actually, this week is pretty straightforward. It looks like I'm probably going to be doing just a straight up 8 to 4 type of a schedule at work. Things are starting to calm down a little bit, knock on wood, right? Calm down a little bit. Schedules are kind of starting to level out, which is nice to, I don't know, just kind of be able to catch up on a few things as well. It's not back to back to back to back meetings. There are some times to get some things done, which I am definitely looking forward to. I actually went to California for work last week. That was my first work trip post-COVID, so that was kind of fun to travel. I will admit though, I'm not, I don't usually enjoy work travel. I'm not that kind of a person. Some people like really enjoy traveling for work, but I'm more of a homebody, so I didn't really go out and do anything fun. I really mostly just stayed in my room and recuperated on, when I had my downtime, more or less. And honestly, I'll tell you, it's training and presenting while standing and trying to talk and project to an audience. It's been a while since I've had to do that. Everything we've done for the past couple of years has been on, online on Zoom. And so that was really taking it out of me more than I thought it would. It's definitely a skill, and I slipped back into it pretty easily as far as I could do it, and I feel like I did a good job of it. But let me tell you, at the end of those days, I was just so tired, so totally tired. Oh, and also learning people's names, because you don't have the little like banner with their name on it like you would on Zoom to kind of like be your name tag. So just like remembering stuff like that, I don't know, small things that in the end made it a little bit more exhausting than a regular training session would be. All right, hopefully that is decently in frame. I thought I saw a weekend sticker. There it is. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with these work stickers from Krissyanne Design. I thought that would look pretty cute as well. So I've got 5 of these cute chubby little ones. So I don't know, I like those in the daily too, though. I think that's tough. I think maybe I'll save those for the daily and do these more script looking ones for the weekly. But I have to say lately, knock on wood, things feel like they're getting kind of like back to normal post-COVID. I feel like all the time more things are doable and happening. And it's like, oh my gosh, last year we wouldn't have even dreamed of doing some of these things. And now we're getting them back. And it feels really, really good to be saying that. Well, now that I'm doing that, wait a minute. I thought that, though, that one's bigger. Shoot. Let's put this one. Let's do it. And then I'm going to do 2 of these other ones as well. Okay, so next I'm just going to put these on every single day. And usually there's like a couple days where I'm, working from home or something like that. But I'm going to be going into the office every day this week. Honestly, that sounds like a great plan. So really straightforward. Kind of trying to like mix up the colors so I don't have like all purple in a row. That's looking awesome. Next, I'm going to do another few of these boxes because Chris has hockey on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It is kind of hard to read on these pattern stickers, but I think it's okay. The other thing I want to make sure I get in here that if you've watched my videos, might be a theme at this point, and that's just making sure that I am getting in my workouts. I really have a goal this month to get in 3 workouts a week, and that's really important to me. So I'm trying to make sure that I give it some priority to actually get them done. It's one of those things where like when I'm consistent with my workouts, everything else seems to go really well. It's just a matter of actually getting into a good pattern of doing them. And that's been the struggle lately, is just getting some kind of consistency down. But this week, Loon is actually helping cook some dinner so that I can work out. And I think it's going to be great. And it took a little bit to actually like accept some help with that, but he's amazing, and I just need to realize that it's something that I need to be okay with either accepting some help or just be miserable not working out, which is obviously not okay either. Right, so as I'm looking at my schedule, trying to decide when I want to do these workouts, I noticed that Loon has some golf on the calendar already. So I'm going to write those things in so that I know that that's a night where I will be cooking dinner and won't be able to work out. So it kind of helps me do process of elimination and get those things out. And it's not really nice enough here to golf yet outside, but my husband has a golf simulator, so he has his friends over and they do that in the garage. All right, and that is going to be Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so with that in mind, Wednesday is definitely a good day for working out for sure. So let's definitely put that one down. And then I think I can Thursday because Loon should be able to take Chris to hockey. So this should be an okay one as well on Thursday. And then Fridays I've noticed with takeout and the way that kind of our lives flow, usually Friday I don't want to work out. So I need to pick another day to get a workout in. And Part of me says, let me try to squeeze it in while he's doing this over here. But another part of me says, you know what? That's dumb. Just put it where you know you can do it. And that puts us on Saturday. Okay, so that's looking good. I also do want to put the meal plan over on the left. So I'm just going to label this meal plan. And honestly, like I said, Loon actually did the meal plan this week, so I don't have it right now off the top of my head. But I'm going to at least put the location of it, and then I can write those in later. And I left this little blank space here because I wanted to leave a little bit of room for this Good Morning Sunshine sticker. Can go right in here. Okay, this is looking great so far. I think what I need next is I need a sticker for a girls' night that's happening over here. I'm going wine tasting with a couple of girlfriends, and so I think that's going to be super duper fun. That's looking good there. And then also on Saturday is, I think I might be going to get mani-pedis with my sister's in-law. So I think I'm gonna just stick that one on there. And if it doesn't happen, okay, but we'll just put it on for in case so I don't forget that that's something that we might be doing. So Saturday is starting to really look like something to look forward to. Get a workout in the morning and then do a bunch of fun stuff with girlfriends the rest of the day, basically. If I can get the sticker to cooperate and go down straight-ish. Okay, so what that means is that Sunday is going to need some kind of a to-do list on here, just so that I can catch up and get stuff done after having so much fun the day before. So I'm gonna do a list here, and then another list here. This one's going to be errands, and then let's call it to do / errands. And then down here, this list would be more of that weekly reset. So for errands, I need to do some Amazon returns. I also need to return some shoes to Zappos. For weekly reset, that's gonna just be laundry, meal planning, groceries, and cleaning. I'm wondering if for this one, if this box, yeah, I think this box will fit in here. Or maybe a different color. Maybe this green. No, maybe orange. Orange is here. I'm trying to find something that is less around it. So I guess the green would be best. But I'm just gonna do takeout / family time for Friday. So now I want to use the rest of these as much as I can. I'm noticing this adorable little planner sticker there. So I think I'm gonna do another planner time little area on Saturday, just to catch up with my planner, maybe make another video. Okay, so for the rest of these, I'm gonna take this little grocery one, and that goes great there. Oh, trash day, I almost forgot about that. So let me do a trash day sticker over here. Let's maybe just do this little tiny one. Our trash day is always Tuesday mornings, but I have to put the reminder on Monday for putting out the cans, otherwise it won't happen. I don't know what else I want to use from this sheet. That might be it. I don't know what that is. It's just like a rectangle. Pink rectangle. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know that I see anything else I need to use from here. So this might be good. Okay, so one more thing that I want to do is put some kind of a reminder up top here to give Mochi her medicine. She's been having a little bit of issues. She's super congested, which the vet has always said that it's just fine. That's just how she is. But they did give her some medicine that should help with her congestion a little bit. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna use a little paw print. I think what I'm going to do is just write Mochi Meds up top. And then put a little checkbox under each day to help remember to do that. Even if I'm not in this book, like literally writing this down is helpful because now I'll have that in mind when I'm doing my daily. Well, you know what? I just saw this family time sticker. Wonder if I can put this over top of this. There we go. All right, I think this just about does it. I'll be honest, I feel a lot more settled about the week, and having my workout set like this feels really good because now when Monday and Tuesday passes by, I don't feel like, oh no, I haven't worked out yet. Like, no, it's okay. I have a plan. The plan is Wednesday and Thursday and then Saturday. So I'm feeling really good about this week. It is so fun to be back in the Plum Paper Hourly. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.